guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess and this is Get Ready with Jess. So if you haven't already, go down and subscribe. We're trying to grow out here. In today's video, I've seen a lot of people do this look and it's really made me want to be creative again. So we're gonna be creating a butterfly eye look, and I'm using pinks and purples because I love the way that they go together. I love the contrast of them and I feel like it just really makes my eyes pop because I've got blue eyes. You can use any colours. You can use oranges, reds, yellows for like a sunset look. You can use absolutely any colour, it's entirely up to you. We're going to be using quite a big range of products and things like that we don't usually use in every single video, so I'll tag them in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Trust the process. So I've zoomed in so you can see what I'm doing with my eyes, and you can see all my beautiful flaws of my breakouts. But you know, it's fine, not an issue. So for today, we are using the Morphe 35B palette. It's called Colour Burst, and I'm telling you now, it's insane. I do love this, I trust it so much for all my bright colours that I need and my bright looks. It's just stand by because it's gonna get out of control on how crazy these colours are. So I'm just dipping into this colour purple here. I'm getting plenty on my brush because you want it to be really dark and pigmented in the outside corner. Excess. So I got quite a lot of people saying that they wanted me to do a tutorial on this look because I put a couple of pictures up on my Instagram story once I'd done it, and everyone kind of wanted to know how to create this look. So I thought it would be quite a nice way to spread the love and inspire everybody. So I do really hope that you actually enjoy this video. I will be creating so many more things. If you do want to see lots of different looks, you know where that comment section is, hon. So I'm just packing this, I'm pressing it in onto my outside corner. I'm really getting that colour shining through. You want it to be really pigmented, but we don't have much trouble with this because the palette's just incredible. Okay, so I've just given my brush a little wipe just because I don't want to keep transferring different colours, because this is one of my favourite brushes for things like this. So I'm just dipping into this one here, again, getting plenty on the brush, excess. And I'm just packing this on in the middle and blending it out towards the darker corner. I've just gone into a bit of dark and I'm just kind of blending that into the lighter one a bit more, just so there's no solid lines. Okay, so our next colour, we're going to be going in with this one here. Now, this has to be my favourite pink that I've ever used in my whole life. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are some great pigments out there, but I'm telling you now, this one is just like, oh, it lasts on your skin, and I mean, lasts. I mean, it does stain a little bit if I'm honest, but it doesn't put me off using it. So I'm just putting that on the inside corner and I'm just blending it and pressing it into the lighter purple that we put on. Gotta go with it, girl. So I'm literally putting so much on there. Okay, so we've got all the colours on. Then we're gonna go in with another blending brush, but I've not put it in any colour. And I'm just gonna use it to very lightly buff out the lines. And then we're just going to go underneath our eye with my Morphe bullet brush, and I'm going to go back in with the first purple that we used for our outer corner. Okay, then I'm going in with the lighter purple. And the pink. So now I've done my colour, I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner. The first time that I did do this look, I actually used black face paint. It is just as good. I used an extremely thin brush. I used this one here, a Morphe one, and it honestly worked just as well, so you can use anything. I'm just going to try my roller liner by Benefit. So to start, we're going to get a line, and you're just going to bring it up as if you were doing an eyeliner flick. And you're going to come down a little bit. And then we're doing some lines that go up and kind of come down. And then you're going to do one more, so it's almost like 3 arches. So for our next line, we're going to then bring it down towards the corner. Okay, so we've brought this line down here. Now we're just going to point it off and then go across our eyelid. So I've just filled in that corner. Okay, so next, the arches that we did up here with these lines, we're just going to bring them a little bit further down to the middle. So I'm using my Morphe brush. I've not got the number for it because it came in a collection. I'm using my Snazaroo black face paint. Okay, so like I was saying, we're just bringing these lines down. And we're bringing one straight down the middle. And then towards the bottom, you kind of want to give it an effect of looking like it's coming up from the line on your eyelid. So you're just blending those corners down into the liner across the lid. Okay, so then for our other line, we're going to bring that down just a tiny bit more, and then we're just going to have a line coming off from the tree. That's what we'll call it, the tree, because it looks like a tree. And then that line will then connect up towards here. Right, so I'm coming up now from the bottom of the lid and connecting with the tree. So it starts to come together the more lines that you do, and it actually, the more, like, you'll soon realise that I'm just filling in the corners as I go. Okie dokie, so we have done our lines. Now we're going to go in with our white face paint. I feel like this works a lot better, and I'm just going to dot. Okay, so I'm just dotting really small dots. So we've done spots. Now I'm going to go in with some gems. I've got my facial glue. I've actually got this from Topshop and it's really good. It's like a PVA glue, but I don't know many people that didn't used to put PVA glue on their faces, if I'm honest, because it's quite fun peeling it off, isn't it? Okay, so you can, again, you can put these wherever. I'm just going to put a few just around the edge. hope everybody's okay in lockdown. I cannot believe, you know, we have to stay like this for so long. It's actually crazy. You guys are amazing. Like, I can't thank you anybody enough for the support that I've received of people. I mean, it's been amazing. I love it so much. Like, I love all of you. Thank you for subscribing to me. If you haven't already, go down, give me a little subscribe, and it will be greatly appreciated. You will be helping me so much along this journey that I've created to, you know, become an inspiration for people. And you know, if you guys agree with me and you think I can inspire people or help people, you know, be creative, I would love it if you could follow me and subscribe down below. Okay, so we've done our gems and now we're just going to stick them on to the glue. Drop that one. I'm sticking them in my eyebrows because I've never had gems in my eyebrows before, and I'm not gonna lie, it ain't sticking, so we're gonna need more. So I've got my No.7 Metallic eyeliner. It's a glitter one, and again, love it. So we're just going to go across brow bone just to highlight it. Not putting a lot on, I'm just giving it a bit of a kick with some glitter. And I'm just going to put a bit of glitter on my underline. Okay, so we've got our glitter on, we've got our sparkles on, and I am literally loving this vibe. So now I'm just going to put my lashes on. I'm using my TL6 Tatti lashes. I absolutely love them. I'm going to stick them on. I'm going to use my Duo super glue because that's what it's like. Literally like super glue. So I'm going to do my lashes off camera and I will be back. Okay, so we are back and I have finished the look. I've put my lashes on, I've put my diamantes on, we've got glitter, we've got loads of colours. I've put a red lip with it. I mean, you can put any colour you want. We're creative, we're trying to grow out here. Trust the process, guys. It always shines through. Now, a lot of the things that I've used today, like different techniques, I started with the eyeliner. That didn't quite work for me. It would work for lots of different people. I've used the black face paint and it's worked amazingly for me. Don't let it put you off the fact that I didn't use the eyeliner and that I changed my mind halfway through. I mean, trial and error, guys, trial and error, it happens, but that's all we have time for in today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you really like this look. If you do create it, don't forget to send me pictures of your looks that you make on my DMs in Instagram, which I will tag in my description down below. And don't forget to give it a like and a subscribe as well, like I said at the beginning. As well, if you haven't seen any of my previous videos, go check them out. I will tag them just above here. And I hope you are all well and safe, stay at home, and I will see you soon. Thanks, bye!